everyone, welcome back to Graybeard's Garage. Got a little bit of an upgrade video today. Last weekend while out for a ride in my local hog group, I had the unfortunate incident of catching a rock right here in my headlight and shattering the glass. So, granted the headlight still works. Don't know what I'm going to do about that, but what we're going to do is I figured, the cost of the factory headlights, talking around $600 on up, and you can get cheap aftermarkets, whatever. I wanted to do an improvement. I still got the factory running lights here. I had upgraded with, I think it's first generation custom dynamics LED turn signals. So I'm going to go ahead and upgrade those too. I was able to get new turn signals, new driving lights, and the headlight for less than $600. And how did I manage that? Through Hog Workz. Here we have the new turn signals. They got smoke lens. I love the packaging from this company. And by the way, this is not sponsored in any way by Hog Workz. This is sponsored by my back pocket, my own wallet, unfortunately. It'd be nice if I had some sponsorship, but eventually someday maybe that'll take place. We got real nice magnetic closure on the box. Very well protected. Give you a nice little sticker to put on your toolbox or inside your tour pack. Pretty clear, straight up instructions here. Not too difficult. Then the lights themselves, they got a protective film over the lens. Nice heavy units. They come with the wiring adapters as necessary. Then also we have, this is the for the halo. Yes, these are the halos. So we're going to get those put in. Then over here in this box, same deal, nice heavy duty box, magnetic closures, another sticker, nice clear instructions in color on this one, step by step. And also for 2013 and older, it gives you instructions here on use this retainer clip that's required for those particular year bikes. And same thing, the headlight has a protective cover over it. Nice heavy duty plugs. It has the halo. And also they provide you with the necessary adapter plug to go into your factory harness. And then here's the adapter ring. We pull that out of the box. There's a whole new ring right here. So there you have it. All right, let's see how fast we can get this thing put in. All right, so let's go ahead and get this headlight changed out first. We're going to remove this retainer ring. Single Phillips head screw right here on the bottom. Twist, and it should pop right out. Just like so. There we go. Set that aside. All right, so now we have the retainer ring here. And it has 3 other Phillips screws. Just drop that screw. Let's figure out where that went off here. Last one. Well, it's pretty sad how you go out for a nice ride with some buddies and have your day ruined halfway on the way home and you catch a rock in the headlight. I'm just glad that it actually still worked. Set this down here. I might have to find my screws here in a bit. See where they ran off to. Drop this out. Unplug it. Alright, I'm going to find my screws so we can put this ring back on here. I'll get back with you as soon as I get them found. Alright, found my screws. Alright, so first thing you got to do with your headlight here, you got your adapter harness. This comes with the older style 3-wire plug. As you can see, it's already wired for the halo. Take your adapter plug, install it here. And you're going to come over here and plug in your factory harness. Just like so. In that direction. Make sure it's nice and secured. I'm going to tuck that up out of the way. Make sure we got it up and down right. I'm going to tuck the harness up here out of the way. We've got a headlight in place. Peel this cover off. And back in place here. Okay. All right, here's for the headlight. I'm going to go ahead and wait on my ring before I put it back on there. So let's go ahead and change out these driving lights. Pop that loose. Go here, disconnect our electrical connection. Of course, it wants to be a butt. Do that here. Wrong. No. Okay, take our ring off the back. Go grab the new one. So there is a adapter wire on here in case you wanted to wire them up individually. Custom application and whatnot. Let's see here. Positive, over ground. Get to put it on. So, take our ring. Line back in there. Need it. Alright, how to screw up more than once when you put it on. First, if I got to put the ring on, then I end up putting the ring on backwards. We can live and learn, right? That in there. Wiring tucked in. Yeah, that fits a lot better. Go back it in the notch. There we go. Pop the cover on. Take it around. Tighten it up. Come back in a little bit, make sure these are all lined up proper. Right now, just going to get them on. So, well, I've got to tighten that up. Alright, pop the other side out real quick. That one's on. And we feel these turn signals. Pop these holding them down, just like so. Take the old one out. Just like so. Got the new lens. Up behind the light. It is. Pop the other one out. Yeah. Look good. There it is. All right, so let me go get my keys and we'll see what it looks like. All right, we got them installed. The whole thing I got left is a beauty ring on the outside of the headlight. Try not to blow the camera out too bad. There we go. Let's see. There's left turn. Got right turn. Got our hazard. High beam, low beam. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. I really like the idea of the halos. Those are pretty cool. Yeah, I really like the halos. You're definitely going to be able to be seen, especially a lot better in the daytime. All right, folks. Well, thanks for joining me on this installation here. It's one of these upgrades I really didn't want to do, but unfortunately, you got to. You got to have a headlight that works. Run these things for a while and run them at night. Maybe see if I can get a little bit of footage of them going down the road at night to see what they look like compared to the stock ones. So thanks for joining me. Be sure to like, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. If you're returning, it seems like over 90% of the viewers are not subscribed. So please help me out. Drop me a subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And plus, liking the video, subscribing, and leaving a comment helps the algorithm, help me get my channel out there a little bit more. Thanks for joining me. Catch you next time.